If your microwave is not turning on, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. First, ensure that the microwave is properly plugged in and that the outlet is working. Try plugging the microwave into a different outlet to rule out any issues with the electrical supply. Next, check the microwave's power cord for any signs of damage or wear. If the cord is damaged, it may need to be replaced. Also, check the circuit breaker or fuse box to see if a breaker has tripped or a fuse has blown. If so, reset the breaker or replace the fuse. Another possible cause of a microwave not turning on is a faulty door switch. The door switch is a safety feature that prevents the microwave from operating when the door is open. If the switch is faulty, the microwave may not turn on even when the door is closed. Check the door switch and replace it if necessary. Additionally, check the microwave's child safety lock feature. If this feature is enabled, the microwave will not turn on. Check your user manual to see how to disable this feature. If none of these steps resolve the issue, it may be a more complex problem with the microwave's internal components. In this case, it is recommended to consult a professional appliance repair technician. They will be able to diagnose and fix the issue, or advise if the microwave needs to be replaced. It is also important to note that if you are not comfortable with DIY repairs or if you are unsure about the safety of your microwave, it is best to consult a professional. Remember to always follow safety precautions when working with electrical appliances, and never attempt to repair a microwave if you are not qualified to do so. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue with your microwave not turning on.